Today we'll talk about how can you find shop place on your Plato app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Plato app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you select here shop. You found here any shop here, can you select it in this list, or here can you shop this. So there is all game, can you here can you pay, then here so all banners, and here can you select here all badges and stickers, and here all bundles here. So here can you find all shot upgrades, and here all shot frames. So that's all to find your shop. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.